Do the Manasaputras fall outside the kingdoms of nature? This question was submitted to a Theosophical questions and answers meeting. Here is Renaissance response, read by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. As far as the teachings of Theosophy are concerned, nothing, absolutely nothing, can exist outside the kingdoms of nature. The so-called kingdoms of nature are to Theosophy stages in the evolution of physical forms, through which consciousness can express itself during manifestation. Generally, we are aware or conscious of four kingdoms of nature: mineral, plant, animal and human, and we naturally assume that these categories are distinct and separate. If you study the matter seriously, you will soon see that this is just a solution to understanding, and that each kingdom actually merges smoothly into the next. Knowing this, you become aware of the fact that there must be kingdoms below the mineral and above the human, and so say the teachings of Theosophy. The kingdoms above the human, Theosophy calls the kingdoms of the Shohans, and the Manasaputras fall within these kingdoms. Of the three kingdoms of the Shohans, the Manasaputras are the closest to the humans. However, the stanzas of Zion indicate three classes of Manasaputras involved with opening the minds of infant humanity. The Shohans are called the Lords of Meditation, and the words Daihan and Zion come from the same root. Manasaputras means sons of mind. These sons of mind, in some situations, are called Lords of Creation. This is just a part of the story of the Manasaputra.